Are you a busy Christian entrepreneur looking to grow in your faith while balancing your entrepreneurial pursuits? Today, we're going to discuss the importance of personal development and provide you with practical tips on how to make time for growth amidst your busy schedule. First and foremost, it's crucial to prioritize your personal relationship with God. Start your day with prayer, seeking His guidance and wisdom. Dedicate time to reading the Bible, meditating on His Word, and reflecting on how you can apply biblical principles to your professional life. Next, evaluate how you spend your time. Are there any time-consuming activities that could be replaced with activities that promote personal and spiritual growth? Consider limiting social media usage or reducing TV time. Instead, devote that extra time to reading inspirational books, attending webinars, or listening to faith-based podcasts. Seek accountability and community. Join a small group or a Bible study with fellow Christian entrepreneurs. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who can challenge and support your personal and professional goals. Iron sharpens iron, and through community, your faith and entrepreneurship can thrive. Create a schedule that incorporates dedicated time for personal growth. Treat it like any other appointment and guard that time fiercely. Whether it's in the morning, during lunch breaks, or before bed, make sure it becomes a non-negotiable part of your day. Remember, personal development isn't just about acquiring knowledge, it's about applying it. Take intentional steps to implement the principles you learn. Set specific goals and track your progress. By prioritizing personal growth, you'll become a more effective Christian entrepreneur, impacting both your faith and professional life. Thank you for watching this video on maximizing growth for busy Christian entrepreneurs. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Together, let's balance our faith and entrepreneurship, making the most of our personal development journey.